Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: can you pair the left and right earbuds to the devices simultaneously? And no, you cannot pair your left earbud with one device and your right earbud with the second device. You need to pair both of these earbuds with one device. But you can listen to music with one earphone, but only with the right one. So this one is your active earbud. To prove it for you, we can go to the settings and to the Bluetooth. We have connection. If I put my left earbud to the charging case, nothing happens, we still have connection and we can use the right earbud. But if I put my right earbud to the charging case and then close the case, my headphones immediately disconnected from the phone. So now, as you can see, we have no connection, so we cannot use mono mode with the left earbud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!